Welcome all. So today we are talking about a very important and a very serious topic which is called black magic. And many of you have been writing to me about black magic and concepts of black magic, especially about curing black magic. So today I will be covering up few things, a self-analysis I would call it, that how you can analyze yourself, that if you are trapped in black magic or is it some kind of a mental block that you are a victim of black magic. Because mostly what happens is that the youngsters who contact us, just because they're watching horror movies and paranormal activities, serials which come on paranormal activities on different channels these days, they create a mental block that they are victims of black magic. However, after the case study results that we do, the diagnosis that we do, which I've stated in the website, that you have to get yourself a case study done by us, and then only we will be able to differentiate whether you're a victim of black magic or it is some kind of a mental block. So most of the youngsters I have come across, that it was just a mental block, that they are victims of black magic. However, they were actually not black magic victims. So now this is the sense, and this is the reason that I have kept case study or diagnosis as the first step when anybody contacts us on our website. The reason is that I'm talking about this is not about a publicity of the website, because that is not needed. We are actually solving a lot of cases of black magic. However, this is like an awareness program that I want to conduct for all the people who are watching this video and listening to me on YouTube. People who are following me, people who are my followers, of course would know about the first step that I have kept on the site. The reason is because when you go to tantrics and when you go to so many other people who claim to be black magic practitioners or black magic healers, they would always say that the moment you go to them, you walk into their offices. Mostly I'm talking about, I'm not categorizing all of them into this. However, I'm talking about majority of them. The problem is that there are a lot of fake activities taking place at the name of black magic and black magic cures and removals, which is one of the saddest part about this field, that because of extracting money out of victims who are suffering from black magic, they get cheated a lot. There's a lot of exploitation when it comes to healing services these days. So no tantric or no corrupt black magic healer would say that you are not a victim of black magic, because they just want you to be one of their clients coming back to them every time. So even if you're not a victim of black magic, they will make sure that you become one. When I say you become one, is that when you go to them, you do these walk-ins in their offices. Even if there is nothing with you, they would put some kind of an evil process on you or an evil entity with you that would make sure that you come back to them, because now that is the time when the real trouble starts, even when you're not a victim. So this is something that I always tell people who contact us, that be very careful, that whom are you contacting. Just don't go by the website false claims which are written on sites these days. I come across that 24 hours you will be healed and 24 hours you'll be out of black magic. That is just not possible. Just think like an educated person. I mean, I always tell all of you people who contact us, that think like an educated person, that when you are a victim of a black magic, that process would have taken at least some months for the results to come in front of you, that yes, there is something wrong with you, there is something which is happening in a very abnormal manner. The trap was a few months, only then you were trapped into it. It was not in one day that you got trapped. So imagine if something which is a destructive process, when I say what is black magic is a very destructive and an evil process which completely destroys every part of your life. Whatever part will be targeted, that will be destroyed. For example, if your opponent wants to attack on your health, so then that health area would be completely destroyed. So you keep on going to the doctor, you keep on saying that I have this problem, but when the doctor tells you to do a diagnosis, the reports are absolutely normal. And when you have tried everything medically possible and still there is no cure, then you think back and you have tried all the astrologers, all the horoscopes and all the remedies, and then you say nothing is working for me, and then you think back and you sit back and you say that what is wrong. Now that is a time when mostly people realize that, let's go to some specialist and get ourselves cured. So black magic, when I was saying, was that whatever area is being affected would be definitely in front of you, that this area has been affected very badly. So please don't get trapped into such things that 24 hours you will be healed. Because I always say one thing, that whenever there is some correction needed, that takes more time than destruction. Always remember this. And now most of you ask me that, how would you define black magic and what exactly black magic is. So I always say that in the most simplest term available, you should always remember black magic as an evil process which has the capability and the eligibility to turn your life upside down, completely upside down. But that does not mean that you get trapped in another false suffering which is self-created because of few blunders that you make. You come into the trap of 24 hours of healing and a short cure and so many other things. Now I'm not being specific about any one particular website. I'm talking in general, that this is something which is happening, and especially the girls I'm talking about, the women out here. This message is typically for the women and all the girls out there who are listening to me. My followers who are female will definitely know that what I mean, that there's a lot of exploitation when it comes to you people, especially the women. Because so many of you have come to me, emailed me and emailed the team members, giving their stories out of exploitation done by different tantrics on females at the name of spiritual healing. So please, and I'm talking about women who are educated, I'm talking about people who are educated, who are doctors, who are engineers, or maybe they are teachers or working in the corporate field, because I have all the victims or my ex-victims are educated people. They're doctors, they're engineers, they're teachers, they are from the science background. Few of them are even scientists, because I have an educated clientele that I cater to and my team caters to. Because whatever I explain, no illiterate person can understand what I'm teaching or what I'm preaching. That can only be understood by an educated person. And the reason that I have created different awareness programs is because of the reason that I have seen that, when it comes to the lower class, they have other people available for cures or to listen to them. But when it comes to the corporate sector or for the educated class, they are the ones who are exploited the most. They don't have a place to go, they don't have an understanding level of going where, and then somehow they are just left nowhere, because they need an explanation to understand that what is wrong with them, and somebody who can explain them in a more simpler form and a logical form. So of course, so many of you ask me that you only cater to one particular area of class or society. So I said, yes, of course I do that, because the only people who can afford my services or afford the healing processes that we are catering to, and who can understand the concept what I'm saying, are the ones who are being cured by us. Because we are dealing with sattvic processes out here. We are dealing with sattvic healing. Sattvic healing simply means there will be no animal killing. There would be no shortcuts taken in the cure, because we don't believe in that. Yes, we do healings through Goddess Kali's remedies. However, Goddess Kali does not mean, again, a very big myth that whenever the Goddess Kali or Mahakali name comes, it means a lot of bloodshedding and a lot of negative aspects attached to it. No, that's not true. That's again a very big myth. and I'm going to make another video about the myths of Goddess Kali. But for today, try to get, not just by us, I'm talking in general, that just go ahead with the Sattvic cures if you're a black magic victim. Okay, so now coming to the symptoms of black magic. See, there are a lot of symptoms. For example, if it's not a mental block I'm talking about, if you're a genuine victim of black magic, how you can analyze it yourself? Very simple. The first thing is that your family ties, your family relationships will start getting spoiled. Unnecessarily, you will start having fights in your house with any of your house members, any of your family members. That is the first thing. If your health is an issue, of course, you will keep on having medicines. No medicine is going to work on you because you're being targeted in the health area. The reports are going to be absolutely normal, but then your health is not going to be normal. Second of all, if it's on your career, if it's on your financial aspect, no matter how hard you work, how much hard work you put in your work, and determination and willpower you put in your work, you will not get results, you will not get outcomes, you will not get any good job. Or even if you're working, sometimes the condition comes that you have to leave your job and be unemployed for a long period of time. No matter how many interviews you go for, you will be rejected. No savings, extreme losses all of a sudden. These are a few of the symptoms of the financial target of black magic. Now, people who are married, their married life gets spoiled sometimes. Relationship between husband and wife gets spoiled due to black magic. Unnecessarily fights, unnecessarily misunderstanding and arguments take place. Sometimes even when it comes to conceiving a child, that can be a problem through black magic. Now, another very common problem is that you get dreams of very dirty washrooms, or of course that you must have read also and heard also a couple of times, that you see dreams of water flowing, or stagnant water, or dirty water, anything related to that. Now, higher stages of black magic will be when you start feeling that there is somebody sitting next to you, there is some sort of an entity in the room. And the most harmful and the most alerting and alarming form of black magic is when you start getting marks on your body, some sort of, maybe sometimes the cross marks or the black marks or the blue marks on your skin, anywhere on your skin, anywhere on your whole body, you start getting marks. And then you start getting, the pricking pain of the needles, the needle pricking pain on your skin, on your hands, on your feet, anywhere again on your body. Those are higher stages of black magic. That is very alarming. And if you're hospitalized and there is no cure available, that means that there is some part of the body which is being targeted now, and there can be no cure for that medically. And another very high form of black magic is mental illness. There were a couple of cases which came to us that there were 2-3 people who were staying in mental asylums for 5 years, having medicines, running away from the houses, and ultimately the family people had no choice rather than to admit them in the mental asylum, and the cure was happening, but there was no result. So somehow they reached to us, and in fact many healers were involved in between, but nothing worked on. So those are higher stages of black magic. Okay, see, there are many symptoms of black magic, but these are the most evident ones that I spoke about. Because like this, the video is going to get really long, because black magic is such a detailed topic and such a vast topic to talk about that it cannot be summarized even in 1 hour or 2 hours. There is so much detail into this. However, the point that I'm trying to make here through this video is that please do not get exploited, especially women Please do not go to people, please do not try to contact people, or even go back another time when any healer tells you at the cost of your dignity and self-respect. If any healer, male black magic practitioner, not all are bad, but mostly I'm talking about if somebody says, because I've heard all these things, you victims have come to me and you have given me these stories, and I have written these stories in 2 of my books. So people who want to really understand what is the exploitation and what is the kind of cheating taking place in this particular field at the name of black magic, please, you can purchase that book and read it. I make sure that all the victims who come to me, I give that book complimentary to them. That go ahead and read and be more educated about the exploitation in the field. Act like an educated person. Don't go blindly just like that you're a victim of black magic, let's go. One side you're already suffering, you're opening another suffering to yourself, self-created, just because you did not apply your mind. You were so much in fear. You were so much scared about the fact that yes, he or she is a god for me, or the savior for me. No, that's not there. Anybody who tells any girl that I have to touch you here, there, where, I don't know which part of the body, I have come across so many cases. Please understand that there is no sort of spiritual healing involved here. It is only exploitation, and this is only a scandal. Please try and understand that, girls. Be very, very careful on this. I have made a special women's section in my site regarding this. When I heard all these stories from 10-15 of females who came to me. This is a very serious thing that I'm telling you. And this is the truth. This is the practical thing that I'm telling you. No healer will tell this to you. So people who want to know about this more, they can go ahead and check the link below of the book links that I have specified. The team has specified there on the YouTube description place, and you can go ahead and purchase the book and read it and understand that what I really mean. You will get a lot of knowledge, just for your general knowledge, if somebody is really interested to know and understand that what exactly I'm talking about. I have given you the theme of it. So that is one. Now, second of all, again I said that always go for sattvic processes. Do not go for any tamasic process. When I say tamasic process, I simply mean any animal killing, because it has its side effects attached to it. Sattvic processes, when it's somebody is genuinely doing a sattvic process for you, that will not have a side effect attached to it. It will take some time to get cured. It does not happen in 1 day or 2 days, but at least the person will be honest enough with you, a person who's a genuine sattvic black magic healer. Okay? For details, of course, you can contact on our website to understand what we really mean and what exactly sattvic processes are and remedies are. Of course, they're a little expensive than the normal tamasic ones, because they're natural products that you have to cater with. Okay? But then you're looking for a permanent solution. You don't want to be trapped in another suffering again. And the last thing what I want to sum up this video to is that people who are victims of black magic, I understand it is a very horrifying thing, it is the most horrible thing that you people are trapped into, but please, that does not mean that if somebody is creating fear inside you, you should get trapped into it. Trust the Almighty. Ultimately, if you have reached to the correct place, that is because of some of your good karmas. So please understand that you're alive till now because of some good karmas that you did, and Almighty is with you, and ultimately is the Almighty. Because the unknown world and the world of the dark energies that we're talking about today is massive, and it's only Almighty who can save you. Me, anybody else, another, sattvic, genuine healer, we are just mediators. But ultimately it's all about faith, it's all about your belief system, and there is nothing to fear. Because if somebody is trying to create fear within you, that simply means they're just trying to extract money out of you by creating a fear. Don't get trapped into that at all. Okay? So I think I've covered most of the points about black magic. And a few things you people again wanted to know about. What are the frequently asked questions that you keep on asking me. I don't know how long this video is coming up to be, because I am just talking about black magic and I have so much to talk about black magic. However, just to give that one or two pieces of information, the Diwali time is a time which is a very dangerous time for the opponents, that they can actually create a lot of hassles for you, a lot of problems for you, because it's supposed to be the no moon night, and it's a very powerful night. So Diwali, Holi, these are two of the major days when very severe black magic can be done on any of the enemies. So that is one thing. And of course in a month again, no moon and full moon comes, so that those are the days again which are responsible for doing such bad activities, evil processes. So be very careful on those days. So if you're a victim of black magic, please make sure that you are contacting any healer before that, because whenever no moon and full moon comes, that is the time that your black magic can be again renewed for another month or another 6 months or whatever the process may be. And one thing more, see people, when mostly you people contact us, I don't know, because you are so much filled with so many other pieces of information from other healers or other methods of cures, that you fail to understand the concept of the case study. Now today, since I'm talking about black magic, let me explain what exactly case study means. Case study simply means when for example, I'll give you an example. You have fever. If you have fever and you go to an hospital, you go to a doctor, you tell the doctor, I have this fever. What a doctor does in today's time, he says that go ahead, you have to get so and so test done, and then once the report comes, I will tell you which medicine to have. That is the same thing that we are trying to focus on implement here in this process of case study. It simply means that every individual who comes is trapped in a different form of black magic. It's trapped in a different degree of black magic. Each case has its own complication. Now I cannot, or anybody who is a genuine healer will not give you the same cure or the same formula for cure, because your body is different, your circumstances are different, your suffering is different, your black magic form is different. All these things have to be diagnosed first before we go ahead and give you any permanent solution. So it does not happen like this, that you walk in and to any tantric or to any black magic practitioner or a healer and you say that why are you getting this case study done from me, because just tell me what the solution is. So yes, I mean, so many of you are doing that, and that is the reason you're not getting cured. And I'm being absolutely blunt about this and very frank about this. This is the biggest mistake what you people make. You want permanent solutions, then there's a certain system that you have to follow and respect and understand. If you cannot respect and understand a particular system, and if you think that it is just one of the waste steps that I'm taking, or these people are telling me to follow, then at least I don't take up any case of black magic if a victim is not agreeing for the case study, and the victim is saying that no, I know what my problem is, I have consulted so many other spiritual healers, they have told me 5 different things, so please, I'm quite aware of it, please solve my problem. No, that does not happen, at least with me and my team. It does not happen like that. I'm totally against this, because every healer first of all has their own ways of solving a particular case or solving a particular form of black magic. So we will not go on their statements or their comments. With due respect, We will do our own case study, go to the root level of the problem, because till the time we don't understand the root level, we cannot understand what the solution is going to be, a permanent solution. Again, after 3 months you will come back, after 6 months you will come back and say that, you know, again that problem has cropped up. What is the use? What is the use? No use. Wasting your money, wasting your time, extending your suffering and pain. There is no point on that. So please respect this fact, please respect this format that I have made and follow it. And people who are into, especially boys and girls who are youngsters, so many of you give us a call saying that, you know, my boyfriend is not listening to me, my girlfriend is not listening to me, my husband is not listening to me, my wife is not listening to me, my boss is not listening to me, I don't know who all are not listening to you. And please, there is something called as Vashikaran, there is something called as, you know, hypnotism. Why don't you please do this for my wife? You know, I want, she should be listening to me, to my husband, he should be listening to me. What is this? And I'm talking about, again, the educated people. I'm not talking about illiterate people or person here, especially the people who contact us. From where all this is coming in your mind, I don't understand. First of all, you say that we live in such a modern society, and then you talk about such things. And then few of you have actually come up to me and said that, you know, that particular healer took 50,000 from me, 60,000 from me, that my girlfriend will come back, or my boyfriend will come back, or my husband will come back. 3 months the person was with me, 4th month or the 6th month, again the same story. So whose fault is this? Now imagine, just imagine, sit back and imagine that what have you decided to do? Who is responsible for this? And first of all, this is a very wrong practice. I have clearly mentioned on the site that please do not contact us for any wrong mediums. Wrong mediums means getting the Vashikaran done, getting black magic done on anybody. We are only here to heal people, to remove black magic, to heal people, to do spiritual healing. We are not here for any wrong practices, as I mentioned. Few of them in front of you right now. And this is my advice and this is my suggestion to people who are watching this video, very clearly and very strictly, that if you really want to survive successfully in your life when it comes to the positive energies and the spiritual energies, if you want to be in the shelter of spiritual energies and positive energies, please do not do such stupid things, I would call. Yes, these are complete stupid things that you're doing. I want my boyfriend back, I want my girlfriend back, please do this particular thing on him or her. That's not a correct thing to do. Why do you want puppets in your life? And the reason the black magic practitioners are doing this, extracting money out of you, is because they have sensed out the need in you. They have sensed out the weakness of yours. At the name of love, at the name of relationships, they can extract any amount of money from you. And so people, a few calls I had attended myself a couple of months back, saying that, you know, we are ready to pay 60,000, 70,000, or some of you went even to saying 1 lakh, and please get my boyfriend back and please get my girlfriend back. Few of the ladies said my husband back. Some of the husbands said my wife back. What is this? And immediately I had to respond saying that over the phone that, haven't you read on the website that do not contact us for any wrong mediums?